Hello and welcome. Today we will play Down the Corner by CCR on our ukuleles. This video is part of a series where we're learning several CCR songs, so if you love their music, make sure and check that out. For today's song, we only need 3 chords, and that's C, G, and F. Every time you see a chord listed, you're going to give it 4 beats, and if you're an absolute beginner, this is the strumming pattern that I'd like for you to try. So you're going to strum on beat 1, 2, 3, 4, and count to 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G for golf. 2, 3, 4. C for Charlie. If you're comfortable with a little bit more on the strumming hand, then you can do all 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Make sure that your strumming hand isn't working too hard where you're doing this. Try and keep everything light. Have more of the wrist being the one that's doing the work. If you're comfortable with up strums, you can add an up strum to that strum like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. That's the strumming that I like best for this song, but I'm going to show you a few others. You can also do down, down, up, down, up every time you see a chord, or you can add a chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So we have something for every level. Choose the one that you like and feels most natural to you. And if you're an absolute beginner, you have several strumming patterns to aim for in the future. Now let's talk about the intro. In this song, there are 3 sections. We have the intro, the verse, and chorus. Now, throughout those parts, we have a bass line, and we will learn it on our ukulele. It'll sound like this. And it's really simple, so we will dedicate some time during this video for that. So in the intro, we see C, C, G, C, and again, C, C, G, C, and then F, F, C, C, and then back to that C, C, G, C. So go ahead and notice that pattern. Let's start at this beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try the intro. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try that again. And remember, beginners, just strum on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Play with joy. Ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, 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 F. Awesome. Okay, so now let's go to the verse, and I have great news. The chord pattern that you just played, or chord progression, is exactly the same in the verse. So we have that C, 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 G, C, 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 G, C, F, F, C, 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 G, C. It's the same. So now we're just adding words. The C you note is a C. Early in the evening, just about supper time, over by the courthouse, they're starting to unwind. 4 kids on the corner, trying to bring you up. I'm just doing a demo. He picks a tune up, he blows it on the horn. Okay, join me for the verse. 1, 2, have fun. 1, 2, keep it light. Ready, go. Early in the evening, just about supper time, over by the courthouse, they're starting to unwind. 4 kids on the corner, trying to pick you up. Really picks a tune out and blows it on the harp. All right, let's do that one more time. This time I'll be more careful with the lyrics. I said pick instead of bring. Let's do it again for me. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and early in the evening, just about supper time. Over by the courthouse, starting to unwind. Four kids on the corner, trying to bring you up. Willie picks a tune out and he blows it on the horn. All right, so now we get to go to the chorus. And in the chorus, the chord progression or chord pattern is F, C, G, C, and then again, F, C, G, C. So that's really fun, really easy. So let's just try and play through it. 1, 2, you got this. Chorus, ready, and down on the corner, out in the street, Billy and the poor boys playing, ringing nickel top feet. Let's try it again. 1. I'm gonna do the simple strumming pattern with just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do that for any beginners watching. 1, 2, ready, and down on the corner, out in the street, Willie and the poor boys played, bring a nickel, tap your feet. Okay. So now we're ready to put together intro, verse, and chorus because the rest of the song just has repetitions of these sections. And then we'll dedicate the rest of the video to that fun line. Okay, so let's do the intro. 1, 2, jam. Ready, go. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Verse 1. Early in the evening, just about supper time. Over by the courthouse, we're starting to unwind. 4 kids on the corner, trying to bring you up. Willie picks a tune out and blows it in the harp. Chords, ready, go. Down on the corner, out in the street, Willie and the poor boys played, bring a nickel to the feet. Alrighty, awesome. So now you're done with that section. So go ahead and look at the tab. If you've never read tab before, let me take a sip of my tea. That's totally okay. We're gonna learn how to do it together. So tab, the 4 lines of tab represent the 4 strings on our ukulele. And our highest sounding string is A. So the top line represents whatever you're gonna do to the A string. And so we have the first thing that we're doing to A, there's a 3 on that A line, right? That means go to the 3rd fret of A. And I'm gonna use my ring finger. You could get away with doing it with the index, but for having proper form, I would appreciate if you use the ring finger. So ring finger on the 3rd fret. And next we see a 0. So that means open A string. So we have 3, open. And now we have a new line of tab. That's our E string, the next string over, but with the 3rd fret. So the 3 notes that we have so far. Let's go to the next section. Next, we're going to the 3rd fret of A string again. So let's add all of that together. I'm excited, so I'm trying to speak too fast. So 3, open, 3 of E, back to 3 of A, open, and then 3 of E, 3 of E. Now we have a new place to play. With my middle finger, I'm going to play on the 2nd fret of A and finish on 3rd fret. Now let's talk about the picking hand. Picking hand, you have several options. You can pick with your thumb. You can pick all of it with your thumb. You can pick all of it with your index. If you'd like to rest a finger, you can rest the ring finger and then grab the index as if it were a pick, and you can pick. We're gonna play slower though. Bum, 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 bum. Or you can do little walking bass fingers. That's what I tend to gravitate. And I'm just switching, alternating the index and middle every time. So it's up to you how you want to play. Go ahead and take like 30 seconds to focus on that. And while you do that, I'll mention the ukulele that I'm playing today. This is a spalted mango tiny tenor from Romero Creations. This is a collaboration between Daniel Ho and Pepe Romero Jr. And it's a beautiful instrument. I've had my tiny tenor for, I want to say like 5 years now, 4 or 5 years. I love it. I use it to perform. It's just a beautiful instrument. So this one is available on my shop. Aside from being a teacher here on YouTube, I also have a website where I sell accessories, PDFs, and instruments. So you can check that out over there. And I'll box this beauty up for you and send it right to your home. Or to the home of whoever you're gifting it to if you're giving it away. Okay, so let's try that first line. Bum, 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 bum. It helps if you sing as you're doing it. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Again. Bum, 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 bum. Pause. We're going to do that again, but this time I'm going to play the strumming pattern. Bum, 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 bum. But you're still going to do the picking notes, okay? So we're doing a duet. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. Bum, 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 bum. Again. Bum, 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 bum. Now, this next section, it changes. We're going to go to fret 8. And I'm debating which fingers to use here. So please let me know in the comments below which fingers you end up using after we present this. And you'll see why I'm like not convinced with these fingerings just yet. And I need your help. Let's start this next section with our pinky on fret 8 of string A. And then have your index finger hold the 5th fret of string A, same string, and have the index finger stay there for a while until I let you know it's time to move. And that's gonna help the transition from A to 5 because then the pinky only has to lift. Instead of your hand doing this, like if you're not looking up, go ahead and look up. Instead of your hand doing this and being inefficient, have the index finger already glued to where you need it, and then pinky on 8, 5, 8 of the next string over, come back to 8 of A string, lift off for the 5, 8 of E. So really your pinky's kind of like playing this game of 8, open, 8, 8, open. So go ahead and look at the tab. And this last bit of that line is kind of where I'm not sure how to play it, which finger is best. There's a 7th fret and then a 10th fret. I'm tempted to play with the ring finger there because since I've been using the pinky for 8 and then using that ring finger to slide to the 10. But then I have to be quick to go to the next line and land the 3rd fret. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think is the best fingering there? I'm doing pinky, index, pinky, 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 index, pinky, pinky, ring, ring, and then ring to come back to the line. So let's try that, that third line where you're on the 8th fret. Here we go. 1, 2, you got this. Ready, and let's do it one more time. 1, 2, you got this. Ready, go. I was on the wrong chord for me. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and all right, now let's put all 4 lines together, okay? All 4 lines. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready from the top. Line 2. 8th fret. Fret 3. Alrighty, I think that section's done. We've done all the other parts. I'd like to do that one last time, and then that'll be our video. Here we go. The tab. 1, 2, a little faster. 1, 2, ready, and fret 8. Nice job. I hope that you had a lot of fun today with this lesson. Remember, this is part of a series, so you can watch the other videos in this series. And I'm also doing it for guitar. So if you play guitar, or if you wanted to learn how to play guitar, this is a really great opportunity. And if you like what I'm doing here and you'd like to support in any way, you can join our Patreon community. It's just $5 a month. And for that, you'll get notified anytime there's a new video. And I'd also like to teach live lessons via Zoom and save the recordings for the Patreon community. So what we do with the live lessons is that we'll take a song like today, but we'll work on it together for the whole hour. And then we'll also do review sessions where once we've learned a few songs, we'll review them for the hour. So we'll review 5 or 10 songs. And then we also do open mics, meetups in person, and all kinds of other fun things. So I recommend you join our Patreon community. Anyway, I hope that you had fun today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.